Ever wondered what it takes to manage projects effectively? A project manager plans, organises and oversees projects to ensure they meet deadlines, stay on budget and achieve the desired goals. They handle risk management, resource allocation and communication with stakeholders. At Forteza Consultancy, we take training seriously. Our practice process offers internships and hands-on exercises giving you real-world experience in project management. You'll dive into live projects, applying what you learn in real-time scenarios. Our interns collaborate closely with seasoned professionals, gaining insights and mentorship that are invaluable. From brainstorming sessions to project execution, every step is designed to enhance your skills. Then comes our perfection process, a key part of mastering project management. This process is designed to ensure that every aspect of your project is meticulously planned and executed. We conduct regular performance assessments to identify areas of improvement and provide personalized coaching sessions to refine your skills. Our dedicated team of experts works closely with you, offering valuable insights and feedback. Want to learn more about advancing your career in the tech industry? Join us at our upcoming workshop, Pathways to Success in Tech Careers, on Saturday, November 16th, from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Explore the comprehensive roadmap for project management, where you'll learn about planning, execution, and monitoring of projects. Additionally, delve into other critical tech roles, such as cybersecurity, business analysis, and data governance. Register now to secure your spot. We can't wait to help you take the next step in your tech career journey.